This is Dharma meeting Oser and Mumu, and they're familiarizing themselves with each other. They really have not touched or smelled or met each other officially yet. Mumu is very interested. Oser is mildly interested, but wants to know what's going on. Cute. Here's Mumu. Mumu's sniffing to see who he is, what he is. Very cute, Mumu. This is Dharma, Mumu, Oser playing for the very first time today, the second time they're here. Dharma went for a checkup and it came out very healthy. Oser and Dharma getting familiar. Dharma, Mumu, Oser, friend.
Oser, come. Oser. Oser. Oser, come, baby. Come here. Oser.